Hey, it's John from KEH. This is a first look at the brand new Fujifilm X-T50 and 16 to 50 millimeter f2.8 to 4.8 lens with a pre-production shot.
One thing you will notice right off the bat is the new film simulation dial. The X-T50 is the first X-series body to feature a dedicated film simulation dial. Photographers will have much easier access to the beloved Fujifilm looks based on analog film. Positioned on the top plate, the dial has popular presets, including the latest Reala Ace. Additional film sims can be assigned to the film dial in 3 locations, or can be chosen from the front command dial if placed on C. This little camera packs a massive punch with the 40.2 megapixel sensor, the same 5th generation X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor that is in the X100-6. This camera also offers a 1.4 and 2 times digital teleconverter for stills, which can expand the framing potential for any lens. Despite its small form factor, the Fujifilm X-T50 houses up to a 7-stop in-body image stabilization system. Handheld smooth video and telephoto lens images are now easier than ever. Speaking of video, this camera can shoot 6.2K up to 30 frames per second, 4K up to 60 frames per second, and 1080 up to 240 frames per second. This camera has up to 13 stops of dynamic range with F-Log2. Utilizing the strength of its new X-Processor 5 image processing engine, the X-T50 uses state-of-the-art AF algorithms and deep AI learning to enhance its ability to recognize a wider array of subjects. This capability allows for precise tracking of objects, spanning from animals and birds to various modes of transport. The X-T50, like the X100-6, also uses the native Frame-to-IO camera-to-cloud capability. Wirelessly connect to any active internet connection, authenticate Frame.io, and start uploading photos and videos right away. Let's talk about what's attached to this camera. This is the brand new 16 to 50 f2.8 to 4.8 RLM-WR lens. In full frame equivalent terms, this lens is a 24 to 76 millimeter. This is the perfect lens for everyday carry and traveling abroad. While on that subject, this lens is very compact and light for its focal length. At just 7.14 centimeters or 2.8 inches long and 240 grams or 0.53 pounds in weight, it's a true take-anywhere lens, with weather resistance only adding to the 16 to 50's usability. The 16 to 50 has an internal zoom mechanism designed to keep the length of the lens consistent. This lens has a minimum focusing distance of 0.24 meters or just over 9 inches, which means it's great for close-up shots. It has a linear motor system to ensure speed and accuracy. This lens delivers excellent image quality with edge-to-edge sharpness and a perfect complement to a 40 megapixel X-series camera. This remarkable lens offers a flawless base for creating bold visuals with both current and future Fujifilm cameras. As an official Fujifilm partner, KEH offers customers premier access. You can also sell and trade your gear with us to put towards an upgrade to the Fujifilm X-T50 or 16 to 50 millimeter f2.8 lens without breaking the bank. It's fast, easy, and secure. Plus, get a 10% bonus on the value of your gear when you trade. To learn more or start a trade, visit us at keh.com.